I was walking past this very beautiful, eye-catching, very friendly looking clinic, and I thought, well, why not just have a go? The friendly clinicians, they showed me what was on my scalp. Everything they said was true. I could see it on the screen. I have to say that this is better than a massage. It's been a very unique experience. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's relaxing. I feel amazing. I feel at home. I could stay here all day. So I'm happy, and I recommend this 100% for any mum out there who just has a couple of hours spare and is feeling a little bit run down. I think this is perfect.